Uni-T Europe.
XY cursor function. The XY cursor function can be used to test the phase relationship between the input and output of the amplifier circuit. Press the Auto key. CH1 adjusts the baseline in center. Set the amplitude parameter. CH2 adjusted baseline centered. Bring up the amplitude parameter. We adjust the oscilloscope time base to XY gear. Adjust the display mode bit split screen. See that there is no obvious phase difference between the two signals before and after amplification. Let's change the frequency of the input signal to 1 MHz. See a slight change in Lysige's figure. Use the source knob. Continue to increase the frequency to 10 MHz. You can see that in the process of increasing the frequency, the phase difference between the two signals is increasing. And the amplitude of CH2 also responds to a decrease. This indicates that the amplifier's performance at sub-frequencies has degraded.